We're now going to create a second table in the database. I just wanted to show you that I've fully populated suppliers with 5 suppliers. So to add a second table, we're going to go to the Create ribbon and then select Table. And again, we select it, then go to the Design view, and we'll call this one Products. Now, this table is going to have 6 fields: product ID, product name, unit cost, list price, quantity per unit, and sub ID again. So we start, and prod ID is a short text. It will have a field size of 4, and we want that to be the primary key, so we're good here. The second field is going to be product name. Again, that's going to be a short text, but it has to be 30 characters long. Product name, not names. Then we're going to have a unit cost, but unlike the others, this has to be a currency. So we're going to select currency here. Then we have a list price. That has to be a currency as well. And then we're going to have quantity per unit, which has to be a short text of 20 characters at most. And finally, we're going to have the sub ID, which is a short text with a length of 4. So we'll save this. So now we've set up the products table. But rather than populating it by hand, we're going to populate this from the Excel, the products Excel file that you downloaded earlier. So we're going to go to the data sheet view. Then we're going to go to the Excel file. We will take the first column. We're going to copy it doing Control-C. We go back to the database, and now we're going to do Control-V. And you see that we're now pasting those records from the Excel file into the Access file. We're going to do that for the second field as well. So again, make sure you highlight the column in question. So yes, we want to do that, and we'll do this for the other fields in the Excel table as well. And again, it's important that what you highlight in the Access file is not the first cell, but rather you highlight the actual column. Now, we populated I populated products column by column. In principle, you can populate it row by row as well. Obviously, in that case, you would have to select the row, right? And then highlight the row here, and then you can copy and paste as well.